Bitcoin is a digital currency that has become increasingly popular over the years due to its decentralized nature, which eliminates the need for intermediaries such as banks. This feature provides users with full control over their money and makes it easy to make transactions across borders. However, the security of Bitcoin investments is critical, given the prevalence of hacking and theft in the digital world. In this guide, we will explore the different ways to store and secure Bitcoin investments. 1. What is Bitcoin storage? Bitcoin storage refers to the process of keeping your Bitcoin safe from theft or loss. It involves using various methods to secure your Bitcoin, such as hardware wallets, software wallets, and cold storage. 2. Hardware wallets. Hardware wallets are small devices that store your Bitcoin offline. They are designed to keep your private keys safe and secure, and they provide a high level of security. Hardware wallets come in different forms, such as USB sticks, smart cards, and dedicated devices. Hardware wallets work by generating a private key that is stored on the device. This private key is used to sign transactions and access your Bitcoin. The private key is never shared with the internet, making it virtually impossible for hackers to steal your Bitcoin. One of the most popular hardware wallets is the Ledger Nano S. It is a USB stick that is compatible with many different cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. The device is easy to use, and it comes with a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to manage your Bitcoin. 3. Software wallets. Software wallets are applications that are installed on your computer or mobile device. They provide a convenient way to store and manage your Bitcoin, but they are not as secure as hardware wallets. Software wallets are vulnerable to hacking and malware attacks, which can compromise your private keys and steal your Bitcoin. There are many different types of software wallets, including desktop wallets, mobile wallets, and web wallets. Desktop wallets are applications that you install on your computer, while mobile wallets are applications that you install on your smartphone or tablet. Web wallets are hosted on a website and can be accessed from any device with an internet connection. One of the most popular software wallets is the Electrum wallet. It is a desktop wallet that is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux. The wallet is open source, which means that its code is freely available for inspection. This makes it easier for developers to find and fix any security vulnerabilities. 4. Cold storage. Cold storage is a method of storing Bitcoin offline. It involves keeping your private keys on a device that is not connected to the internet. This makes it virtually impossible for hackers to steal your Bitcoin. Cold storage is typically used for long-term storage, as it is not as convenient as hardware or software wallets. Cold storage can be achieved by printing out your private key on a piece of paper, which is known as a paper wallet. Another option is to store your private key on a hardware device that is not connected to the internet. 5. Multi-signature wallets. Multi-signature wallets are wallets that require multiple signatures to access your Bitcoin. This provides an extra layer of security, as it means that hackers would need to compromise multiple private keys to steal your Bitcoin. Multi-signature wallets work by requiring 2 or more private keys to sign a transaction before it can be executed. This makes it much harder for hackers to steal your Bitcoin, as they would need to compromise multiple devices to gain access to your Bitcoin. 6. Backing up your Bitcoin wallet. Backing up your Bitcoin wallet is critical, as it ensures that you can recover your Bitcoin in case your device is lost or stolen. It is essential to back up your wallet regularly, especially when you make significant changes to your wallet, such as adding new addresses or changing your private keys.